Quick question. What's your gross salary now? What actually lands in your account? For most people, that gap is bigger than they realize, and nobody sat them down and explained exactly where that money went. Today, we're going through every deduction: PAYE, SHA, NSSF, the housing levy, and I'm going to show you what percentage of your hard-earned money disappears before you even see it. Let's use a KS 60,000 gross salary as an example. PAYE tax alone can take KS 9,000 to 12,000 depending on your relief status. SHA takes KS 1,700. NSSF takes KS 2,160 under the new rates. The housing levy takes another 1.5%. That's KS 900. Add it all up and you may be losing cachet 14,000 to 16,000 before you spend a cent. That's over 25% of your salary gone. And most people have never sat down and calculated this. The most frustrating part? Nobody explained this when you got your first job. You signed the contract based on the gross number. Then the payslip arrived and the number was very different. That feeling of confusion and quiet disappointment? Millions of young Kenyans feel it every month. You're not bad at money, you just weren't given the full picture. Here's what to do. First, calculate your actual take-home pay, not your gross. All your budgeting must be based on net income. Second, check if you're claiming all your tax reliefs: personal relief, insurance relief, mortgage relief if applicable. These can legally reduce your PAYE. Third, understand what SHA and NSSF actually give you and supplement with private cover if needed. Know what you're paying for. You can't control taxes completely, but you can understand them, plan around them, and make sure you're not overpaying. Financial literacy starts with your payslip. If you want a full breakdown video on how to read your Kenyan payslip, comment payslip below and I'll make it next week. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe, not forgetting to hit the notification bell for more videos.